Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 3rd, 2021. You are here because you all want to see where the price in silver is going to go. We're expecting the market to go higher, right? First off the bat, I'm going to tell you that we're looking for the market price in silver to increase. We're going to talk about that. But before I do, I'm going to show you another confusing chart as to why people lose money in these markets, because people make it too confusing. The more confused you are, the more likely you will lose money in this space. We're going to talk about this confusion chart as well. Before I break everything down on this video, if y'all want to join us, if you want to call the markets with us, make sure before you leave, hit the like button, share, and subscribe to this channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because you do not want to miss out on any of our information that we are harnessing here on this platform. So real quick, let's look at this confusion chart about Elliott wave analysis. You guys can see that this post was posted on TradingView of an idea that EW forecast is trying to expect the market to go. You guys can tell that this particular profile has 7,832 people who follow this analysis. Now look at this chart. Can you follow this? Do you see what this market is actually trying to tell you based off all of these numbers, letters, diagonal lines, arrows, colors, shapes, right? According to this chart, it has taken all of this just to forecast moving to the downside, really. Now, one thing you all want to understand and listen to is the speech or the things that you read in terms of looking at price charts. You know, the more confusing it is, the less likely those individuals understand what is going on into the market, right? So this is the post of what was written in regards to this price chart. And I want you all to listen to the things that I say, because this is what was written on this post as to how you can be confused into the market, okay? April the 15th, we notice a nice clean bearish setup formation. As you can see, since then it's moving perfectly to the downside towards their area of $500 to $400 support. So they're looking for Tesla to go to $500 to $400, right, to find support. They're talking about a ABC corrective movement from the highs, and because wave C is a motive wave. See, that's the question. When you are looking in markets, there's no concrete, no set determined delineation as to what is what, right? This goes into ABC. Well, is there a ABCD? Is there a ABCDEF? Is there even an ABCDEFG? And if so, what would those each letters mean as this market continues to trade? And then you look for a corrective movement. Already, when you say corrective, then you're trying to imply that the previous movement in this situation, Tesla, it was wrong. You're correcting what was wrong, and the market is never wrong. Where price goes is where it's supposed to go. There's no wrong about that. The market in Tesla went to the price it wanted to go. So when you say corrective, you're actually being misleading, because the market never is wrong. A corrective movement from the highs, and because wave C is a motive, what in the world is a motive wave? How can you tell if it's a motive? How can you tell when it's a wave? What do you mean by motive? And then he goes on to write, it has to be completed by a 5-wave cycle. So you have 5 waves. I guess that's A, B, C, D, E. And if it doesn't complete within those 5 waves, then what does it mean after that? Then as you can see, wave V of C is still missing. So I guess every A, B, C, D, E, F, G, you have 5 small waves. And then he wants to tell you at the very bottom of this post, trade smart. Are you serious? This is confusing. This is not smart at all. And then he drops a disclosure. Be informed that information we provide is not a trading recommendation or an investment advice. All of our work is for educational purpose only. I can see that you're educating people on how to be confused. Take a look at some of these comments. When you see questions on your prediction, on your price chart, It lets you know that people are confused, that people don't understand. The very first one, 16 hours ago, do you think it's a wave 4 of C or wave 4 of 3 of C? What in the world is he talking about? He is even adding more confusion to the price chart. And this is his fractal wave count on the afternoon session. Everyone can draw their own lines how they see fit into the market. There's no concrete Elliott wave that you can say, okay, that is A, this is B, that is C, this is E, F, G. You can place it however you want to on price charts. And he even goes on to write 4 hours ago. It seems that the original chart missed the May 7th high, which can be wave 2. See, he's seen all types of waves on his chart. Now that could be wave 2, the high that came in on May the 7th. In that case, fractal wave count may need to be updated. The last move up can be wave 4 of 3 of C. Let's follow and see. We may have another move up around 500 above 50% retracement, which confirms my idea. Otherwise, if the next move up start around 470, your detail wave count has more probability. So it's all guessing. He sees one thing, the original chart, the original poster sees something else, totally different. So what in the world are we utilizing Elliott wave analysis for? Somebody even wrote they like the analysis. Great job. Still learning about Elliott wave analysis. They're still learning and they're still confused. And this is what the last comment writes. That's exactly where he went long, thinking it has reversed. So he did Elliott wave analysis, but he did the wrong trade because he bought the market in Tesla because he thought it was going to reverse. Can see the V wave not go lower than the support line 540. How much chance is there that a descending triangle breaks out upward? See, all of this confusion, all of one chart, but again, still they want you to trade smart. No, that's not how this thing works. The market is supposed to be simple. It's supposed to be easy. It's supposed to be non-confusing. And this is what we possess here on this particular channel. So now let's break this down real quick. I'm not going to be here long. You guys can see our last price prediction in silver. We played a weakness into the market and it didn't happen. You know, it was on May the 2nd that we did the video. Silver maintained a strength. All right. We didn't get this correct. 4% loss, or if we were to get out right now, it would be 7%. Okay. It goes that way. So let's take this away though. One thing I wanted to show you real quick is that the market in silver is still banging its head up here around $29. Okay, first things first. Now we are still trading within our trading channel. Nothing has changed. Okay, so we're really trying to make a determination if silver is going to break $29 to the upside. So let's switch this over to a different time frame real quick. This is the 3-day. Zoom in real quick. The market here is still showing areas of selling going on, right? But the market hasn't reacted to pushing the price lower. So there's definitely still market participation of buyers coming through the market in silver here. 5-day time frame, the market still looks weak. Could we see another movement to the downside in silver before we see this price actually break out? This is the weekly time frame in silver. The market is still showing this area as a massive area of selling. So would you come into the market and buy this particular commodity knowing that there is weakness coming through? Would you do that? Because I'm switching over on these varying time frames and we're still seeing the weakness apparent in silver right here. Okay. So what do you all expect to see into the market in silver right now? This is where the weakness is currently being seen. Now, I'm not going to be overly bearish in silver at all. Okay, I want you all to think that I'm expecting the market in silver to crash. But I'm also telling you that I'm not looking for the market to break $29 to the upside right now. I'm going to look for the market to come down to around $27 to $26.50 first. And if we're able to maintain those prices on this next leg down, then yeah, throughout 2021, the market's going to try again in silver to break that price of $29 to the upside, but not right now. Okay, so we're going to play the weakness into the market in silver right now. First area TP would be around $27, which would give us around almost 3%, not a lot, all the way back down to 26.50, which gives us around 4.5%, right? That's not a lot, but this is where I'm looking for the market to go and trade over the next couple of trading days. And we didn't give you any wave analysis. We didn't speak about no Elliott, no A, B, C, D, E, F, Gs. We're understanding where previously the market in silver found rejection, and we're still seeing that right now. So we're just going to play the movement to the downside, see what occurs around $27 to $26.50, because if we get more strength there, then definitely we're going to anticipate the market trying to break $29 to the upside. But for the moment, not right now. We're going to play the weakness here on a daily perspective. Okay. I'm looking for silver to drop in price, not massively, but we can still expect the market to drop. And we told you all that on this video. So that's it. Tell me your price prediction into the market in silver, all without being confused. Don't give me none of that Elliott wave analysis. Just strictly speak on what do you see in the space. Okay. Now, one thing I also see right here is that 27.50 could be support. So it wouldn't be a bad idea to TP out the market there, a little bit of profit on that movement too. So check it out. Let me know. Drop the comment in the comment section and tell me, where do y'all expect the market price in silver to go over the next couple of trading days? Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.